A mysterious warrior steps into the world of Kuruluş Osman. A beloved actor disappears with a shocking transformation. And Burak Ozcivit, the face of Osman Bey, has just lost his crown in a national vote? Dear viewers, something massive is brewing in Season 7 of Kuruluş Osman, and today's video reveals all the unexpected twists, casting drama, and fan outrage that's lighting up the fandom. We're talking about a new entry into the cast, an award-winning actor with deep ties to Burak Ozcivit, and rumors that he'll play Orhan Bey, despite looking nothing like the historical figure. But if he's not Orhan, then who is he? Could he be Ak Taimur? Yazigloo? Or someone brand new? Trust me, this isn't just another casting update. This is a turning point. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to subscribe to Epic Stories and hit that bell icon. If you're a true Kuruluş Osman fan, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Now, let's jump right in. The first confirmed new face of Season 7 is actor Murat Yazigloo, and the announcement has left fans buzzing. He's not just a fresh name. He's the winner of the Best Turkish Actor award last year, and starred alongside Burak Ozcivit in the film Barber, a project that was supposed to hit Netflix, but mysteriously vanished before release. In that film, Murat played Burak's younger brother, and their chemistry on screen was unforgettable. Now, Murat has officially joined Kuruluş Osman after a conversation with producer Mehmet Bozdag. The big question is, what role will he play? Many fans are speculating that Murat will portray Orhan Bey, the son of Osman. But here's where the problem starts. Historically, Orhan had blonde hair and blue eyes, a description that doesn't fit Murat. And let's be honest, casting someone who doesn't resemble the historical Orhan at all would be a huge risk for a show that claims to honor Turkish history. It's not just about talent, it's about authenticity. If Kuruluş Osman really wants to portray Orhan Bey accurately, there's a better candidate. Alp Navruz. He not only looks more like a younger version of Burak Ozcivit, he also brings that warrior energy and charisma fans expect from Osman's heir. In fact, his resemblance to Burak is so strong, people have joked they look like real brothers, not just actors. Still, if it's not Alp, then many fans were hoping for the return of Emre Bey, who played Orhan in previous seasons. But just days ago, hopes were shattered. Emre Bey has changed his look completely, and it's all for a new movie titled Ice Went on Vacation, set during the 1974 Cyprus peace operation. He's playing a lead role as a teacher named Ali, and for the part, he shaved his beard and now sports a thin mustache, completely changing his appearance. It's clear now. He's moved on from Kuruluş Osman. His transformation all but confirms he won't return as Orhan. So, if Murat isn't Orhan, then maybe, just maybe, he's coming back as Ak Taimur. And honestly, that would make more sense. We've talked about it before. The conquest of Bursa is coming, and Ak Taimur was a key player in that history. Mehmet Bozdag must bring him back if he wants to stay true to the historical record. And Murat? He's got the presence, the intensity, and the physicality for that role. But if they cast him as Orhan, and ignore historical accuracy again, it would be a massive misstep. Another possibility? Maybe Murat isn't Ak Taimur or Orhan at all. Maybe he's playing Yazigloo, Ak Taimur's younger brother. Because frankly, Murat's current look is a bit too youthful for the seasoned warrior Ak Taimur, unless they change his appearance. So once again, fans are left guessing. Now let's shift gears to our second major headline, and it's about Burak Ozcivit himself. A public competition was held across Turkey to decide the most handsome Turkish actor of 2025. And believe it or not, Burak came second. Yes, the face of Kuruluş Osman, the man behind Osman Bey, lost. So who took the top spot? Barış Baktaş, the actor who plays Buri, Salahuddin Ayyubi's brother in the historical series. And this decision? It sparked a massive debate among fans. So here's what we're doing. Let's run our own poll, right here in the comments. Who deserves the crown for 2025's most handsome Turkish actor? Burak Ozcivit? Barış Baktaş? Or maybe Cengiz Coşkun, the legendary Turgut Alp? Drop your vote in the comments. Let's settle this once and for all. No matter the rankings, one thing is certain. Burak Ozcivit's role as Osman Bey remains iconic, and even Burak himself feels it deeply. In a recent interview, he said, "The role that holds a special place in my heart is Osman Bey. His achievements are visible to everyone. Even one of his quotes outweighs 6 centuries. I could play this role not just for 6, but for 20 years." He added, "What makes Osman's character so special is his strong faith, which he never compromised on, even in the face of death. And the second quality is justice. Osman's entire life revolved around faith and justice. And that is a lesson for all of us. Live with faith. Live with justice. And like Osman, never back down." So dear viewers, what do you think of Murat Yazigloo's casting? Should he play Ak Taimur, Orhan, or someone else? And who's your pick for the most handsome Turkish actor of 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Because more Kuruluş history stories are coming your way very soon. Until next time, stay strong, stay legendary, and stay epic.